Bulgarian bag.
Yes.
Wow, what lovely color and shape also.
It's in the shape of a banana.
Why like that? Why that shape is like that? Why it is Bulgarian bag by the way? Why it's called like that?
That's what they say that. That's why we made it.
How many kilos is it?
5.
You can lift this 5 kg
Yes.
at ease.
So the main reason why I purchased this is because I want to work on the core.
Oh.
So every time doing
What is core?
core is the center of the body.
Ah,
So every time I'm doing abs, crunches, and then I also have the mudgar and the gada at home where I work on the core. But you know, you get bored and you need some variety in the workouts. So that's why I bought this to do core workouts.
okay, you know how.
Like it gets very boring doing every time the same kind of exercise. You get a variety.
You are right, because every part of the body requires a particular type of exercise.
Yes.
I think so.
But
I
the
don't
core
know.
is very important.
I think so.
So I have to learn some this thing.
Techniques.
Yes.
Do it slowly. Don't you have to warm up first?
Yes, but I'm just experimenting.
You do warm up, please.
I have to do warm up.
Yeah, you better do warm up because you don't know the
Need
muscle.
some sweetened drinks.
Do.
Now I won't do after the warm up.
So you showed is enough.
So we can put this back.
Let me see. I'll carry you. Let me. Very nice.
But it's quite light.
For you, it's like.
10 and 15 will be heavy. So the
Ah,
with 5 is fine.
I don't know what to do with the heavier one. So let me lift.
To hold these handles. Look at that.
Ah, nice. It's like carrying rice, wheat bag. Yes, very nice.
Put it here on your back.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. You know the job-related stresses you get, you know, like you have to bend your neck while doing the correction. Very nice. Soothing for the
Will
neck.
not hunch forward.
Carry school bags. They carry more than 5 kilos, I think, per children.
That's why they lean forward.
Ah, take. Nice.
So I can use this by doing a plank also. So now I have to learn some workout videos using this tool, new exercise tool. Then we can put it on the back also here, and I can do a plank. Plank.
This is to.
So place it on your back, some weight. This is quite light.
Yours
There was
like-
nothing in between. I want something like 7.5. 10 would be too heavy. But 5, okay to begin with. Must learn from few exercises.
Oh, you do, yeah, you learn. Very, very nice. Keep on the sofa.
Now you don't do.
Check. I'm not feeling the weight at all. For the neck, you want squat me? Enough.